property. What can we say, ladies and gentlemen? It's for all time, forever and a
And that
day.
will be pretty high quality HD. And I'll put this on, I'll make a little film about Melbourne. I think just have this trying on this.
For all time.
Around the world with a set of tiles. And nice shoes.
I can't believe you packed it.
Darling, don't you know?
Well, now these are the official cocktails. Everyone's here. Come from miles around to the.
For all time. Every song on the radio.
Oh yeah. So that's us. Cocktails around the world, and it's our last day, second to last night in Falmouth. After a bit more than that. I ate part of the seagull's droppings. Never mind.
That makes me think what we had was right. Captured scenes in cellular glass. I'm living in a dream, my friends say it won't last. Time gone by don't really seem what yesterday promised and tomorrow dreamed. Backing up my crew tonight, heading out onto through the headlights. You turn on my radio, get a love song playing. Whoa, whoa.
Not a bad idea. Got wine, got sushi, got everything.
For all time, darling, don't you know that I love you so? For all time,
This is a good place. Yeah, exactly.
for all time. Well, I've been out on the road playing rock and roll with the boys in the band.
Around the world.
Had a few drinks and had a few wings. I'm sure you understand.
Oh, and my friend.
Yeah, brown eye.
I'm leaving.
I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, babe. All time, for all time.
On cocktails around the world. Nice to meet you, mate. And you're all right, mate. Yeah, no doubt. No, you did it. That's fine. We'll see you when you. Thank you very much for the making sure. I did. Privately owned catamaran in the world. 46. Wow. Which one?
This one.
That is a mass, isn't it? The biggest one we had is Liberia.
Take another look around.
You want it?
No,
All I can afford you. All I can afford. Down New Seville, where we'll once again reunite for cocktails around the world.
5 o'clock.
Excellent. Men on the road. Excellent. Nice day.
Yeah, I'm going all over the country as well.
All very exciting. Quite lucky to get these seats. Sorry, Andrew. So, and in my, I thought, well, I've struggled again, and I've actually spilt an anchovy on my life on the road. It doesn't taste like anchovies. That tastes like seagull shit. But it was seagull shit.
It isn't usual to eat it.
I didn't know at the time. She's got what we call a stumbling problem. But we do like her because they're from Oxford.
Yeah.
They're
And it's very